Welcome guys! Today I have for you a 1224 ST Okamoto that is wired for 220 volts and we'll just get into it. This is an automatic and manual machine. I will show you the manual features first. First off, we got our table left and right with this hand wheel right here. We have the table in and out with this center hand wheel right here. And lastly, we got the up and down for your head right here. So before you run everything in automatic mode, it's a good idea to pull all your hand wheels out. This one does have a little safety in it to where it won't feed in or out if that hand wheel is in. But these two will go ahead and cause some damage if they hit you in the shin. So best pull them out. So we're gonna start off with our hydraulic with this top button right here. Flip it over to the green and get that started. So what that's gonna do is give us power to our hand wheel, to our table left and right. First you choose a position to go in, and then you could adjust your speed right here. So right now I'm in the middle, and then we could bring it all the way up. Bring that down just into the middle right now. So you will notice as of right now, we are in a cycle. We are in a plunge cycle to where every time it hits left or right, it will downfeed, indicated by this. It just hit our 0, so it's gonna go for a spark out just for one cycle, and will park itself to the left as you see right there. So with that being said, I will go ahead and press this switch right here, bring it on over to our traverse mode, and I'll back the hand wheel up just a little bit so we can demonstrate that. So the same thing, go ahead and choose your direction you want to be in, and our table will start going. And right next to it, you have our two options of a continuous feed right here, or if we go all the way down, you have your step feed. So every time this is going to hit the dog on the side over here on the left-hand side, it will go ahead and downfeed for you. This is totally adjustable along with those two dogs up there for your different travel. This knob right next to this handle is going to be the speed setting for the table in and out. It's easier to spin it when the hydraulics are off, or you could catch it right in the middle of it pulsing and you could get it that way. So we are almost done with our feed right here. I'm gonna let that go, but I would like to mention this little knob right here is going to be how much feed the machine is gonna do. So we'll go ahead, unlock that, and we could adjust it that way, in or out. So again, this is going to be in its spark out mode right now. Waiting for it to just go off. It will park itself just like that. We'll just go ahead, run that cycle one more time for you. And we'll get that wheel going for you now. Really quiet spindle for you. And this machine also does come with a variable magnetic chuck control. As you can see right here, I have turned it on. Go ahead, demonstrate. My knife's hanging out there pretty good. One thing I will also like to mention, I will turn off this cycle right now. I will like to demonstrate the rapid up and down movement indicated by these two buttons. As long as you go over to the little hand right here, you could press up to go up and down to go down, just like that. Off to the side over here, you will see that we do have the coolant tank. It does come with the conveyor. The way that that works is there's a little plunger attached to it, so when all the grinding material gets caked up in there, it will activate that plunger and run everything off into your little waste bucket, keeping your coolant clean. I don't have it currently set up right now because the machine's just in a weird spot where I can't tuck it into, but it does run fine. So again, This is going to be the 1224 ST Okamoto wired for 220 volts. Thank you.